Welcome to Marvel Metamorphosis. Iron Man. If he turns into a fire truck. Spider-Man. If he turns into a fire truck. Wolverine. If he turns into a fire truck. Superman. If he turns into a fire truck. Deadpool. If he turns into a fire truck. Flame Man. If he turns into a fire truck. Ghost Rider. If he turns into a fire truck. Batman. If he turns into a fire truck. Joker. If he turns into a fire truck. The Flash. If he turns into a fire truck. Captain America. If he turns into a fire truck. Thanos. If he turns into a fire truck. Red Venom. If he turns into a fire truck. Black Panther. If he turns into a fire truck. Stone Man. If he turns into a fire truck. Venom. If he turns into a fire truck. Hulk. If he turns into a fire truck. Thor. If he turns into a fire truck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Write in the comments what you think the next video should be.